The Peterborough lift lock, man, this thing is so sweet. I just really thoroughly enjoyed it. It lifts 65 feet and actually holds the world record in the height of lift since 1904. You can see it's basically two large bathtubs. Here's the diameter of the shaft is like 7.5 feet that hold up these two caissons or two bathtubs. And then it's all done through water pressure. Through those two pistons that hold up each one of those bathtubs, they connect. There's a circuit that goes to each one. And so with the one on top holding a little bit more water, then it creates a heavier weight and pushes down, and then therefore pushes the piston up on the one on the other side, therefore lifting it up 65 feet. And they are big. They're like 140 feet by 33 feet wide. And I don't know, I'm going to guess they're probably 12 feet deep, something like that. But there's no mechanical outside or no outside external power that's needed to operate this. It's all done on gravity force. And the simplicity of the engineering is remarkable. And it still works today and operates and pushes through a lot of boats here on the Trent Severn in Peterborough, Ontario. Here we are entering into the, I would call it a bathtub. As we come in, you just come in and tie up, and then it lifts the bathtub.
I see.
In whole, all the way up. "65 feet in total. Now, you can see the rail here that holds the tub. It's a guide going up, and
yeah, there's another boat out here tied up.
Now, what's fascinating about it is that when it comes to the top, as you can see, it's coming up. When it comes to the top, it by design, it stops 1 foot short of the water level of the upper canal. And then, if you'll notice here, we stop. What happens is they let a foot of water in from the upper canal to fill the bathtub. It's filling the bathtub up.
There we go.
Even more so, and it's putting another 144 tons of water on the bathtub on the top. So now what they've done is they've closed the valve that connects the two cylinders or two tubs. They've closed that valve. They've filled up and put that extra weight into that tub
on your port side.
And then when they open the valve back up, they're going to drop the gate. When they open the valve back up, then the upper caisson is going to have 144 tons more weight, and therefore pushing that tub back down and the other one back up. So now when the boats leave, it doesn't change the water. It doesn't change the weight, because a boat will displace the same weight that it carries. In other words, when it leaves, the water will fill in that same amount of weight, so it equalizes. So the amount of boats in and out of that does not change. It doesn't matter. Yeah, and that's Captain Joe.
Very much so.
And I'm out.
Yeah. Peterborough Lock. All by ourselves. Love it.